Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the May 2021 Glossy box. This is the Let the Sun Shine box, and it's probably my favorite box design that we have seen in quite a while. So today we're going to jump into a full unboxing and review of every product in this box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Let the Sun Shine May 2021 Glossy box with me, stay tuned. Now, GLOSSYBOX and Look Fantastic are owned by the same brand, and in my last Look Fantastic box, they sent a pair of Aviator Sunglasses, or I think it was the Mother's Day Glossy box. It was the Mother's Day box. So I got so many comments about that, about how you guys liked how the sunglasses looked on me, and I told you I wasn't a huge fan of the shape. I do have a pair here from Lens Direct that they sent to me, not sponsored, but this is the shape I tend to go for. Now, I'm not entirely sure if I'm sold on the clear frames or not, but from a shape, this is what I tend to wear. So I love how these feel. They're nice and high quality. The Aviators were too, but this is definitely more my vibe. And once again, I get distracted by the ring light in the reflection. So that is an update on the sunglasses you guys had asked for. The reason that is relevant is because they do have a $25 gift card to Velvet Eyewear. I actually purchased already because $25, I'm going to go spend it. So I got some stuff, and I will update you in my next unboxing for GLOSSYBOX what I got in that little purchase that I did. But after that, let's jump into the next item in the box. So the theme for Let the Sun Shine, it is finally time to dig out those dresses, sandals, and sunglasses and get some vitamin D. Summer is just around the corner, and the May edit, Let the Sun Shine, is exactly what you need to get your glow ready. We're here to make sure your skin and hair are prepped for the sunshine and heat, so go ahead and let's start unboxing. First item out of the box, I've received like 3 times, and I'm honestly like, I don't want any more. So this is going to go into a giveaway. This is the Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. Retails for $48. I received this in a Bella Skin box. I received this in a BoxyCharm. I think I received this in an Ipsy or a FABFITFUN. This is like the 3rd time I've received this product. It's a good product, but I don't need so many of them. Unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily stressors in skin, this ampule is necessary for skin in need of after-sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and a thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes the skin pH, and smooths fine lines. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Moisturize until absorbed. Follow with a moisturizer. Once again, great brand, great product. I've yet to have something from this brand that I don't like, but I don't need 4 of them. So I'm going to drop that in an upcoming giveaway. The next item on my card says it's a Josephine Cosmetics Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter. I instead got a Bella Pierre Stay Put Brow Gel. Honestly, I would have been happier with the Do You highlighter because you know me and brow gels. I'm not really a fan. I like light brows. Like, I have nothing in my brows today, and I'm happy with that. Ignore what my hair is doing. I don't know what it's doing. But I'm going to set this aside because this is absolutely not the type of product I will ever go for. It's one of those, like, the brush is in here connected, and you get, like, the little brow brush. Just not my vibe. So that is a pass for me. Next, from Neep, these are the Valerian and Hops Mineral Bath Salts in the scent Dream Away. I think it was Samantha Ravindal who did a review on these a while back, or maybe it was Raw Beauty Christie, talking about how much she loved this brand, and I actually looked to purchase it, but from where I was living at the time, shipping cost more than the actual product, so I actually passed on it. But I am really excited to try this out. The packet retails for $4. After a busy day, nothing is better than a pampering bath. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep, thanks to calming benefits of valerian essential oil. The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. Add to a warm bath, or if you don't have a bath, pour into a large bowl and soak your feet for a soothing sink. I love bath accessories, so that is going to go right at the top of my list of things I need to try. The next product comes from Aveda, and this is the Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with this 98% naturally derived formula, free of silicones, parabens, and sulfate cleansers. It protects against the drying effect of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day. This is a travel size, which retails for $12. Shake well, mist into hair, damp or dry. Detangle or style as usual. For finer medium hair, apply mid-shaft to ends. For thick, you can apply all the way down to the root. I've heard amazing things about Aveda, and I have never tried this, so this is also going to go on my list. Since it doesn't have the parabens and silicones and all that crap, I will put it in my hair, but you know I prefer more of those natural ingredients on my hair. I'm much more particular about hair care than I am about skin care, so that is also going to go into the list of things I'm going to try, but obviously I'm not currently at a point where I need to put any form of hair product in my hair. The next product comes from this is the extra, so this is not the next item. The next item in my box says it's supposed to be the Polar High Protection Sun Cream, SPF 50, which I did not get. It is a mineral sunscreen, which I would have loved to have tried, but instead I got a Be Your Incredible Self by Nails Inc. in the shade Blossom Kisses. I don't use regular polish on my fingers. I do press-ons, which... Can I have that, please? I just soaked my fingers to give them a quick clean, so I'm going to pop on a new set shortly, and since I do press-ons, I don't really use regular polishes like this. However, I have received this brand in the past and I like it, and I do regular polish on my toes. Right now they're lavender, so I'll probably do Blossom Pink next. Formula-wise, it is a great formula. I do really enjoy the way that it wears. It doesn't really chip, but I don't really do regular nail polishes. I prefer a gel polish because it lasts a little bit longer. And now, the extra item. This is the Uriage Eau Thermale Thermal Water, packaged directly at the source in the French Alps. This is filled with mineral salt and skincare water just for you to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. Perfect for those hot days. Summer days ahead. Spray on your face and body as often as you want for cooling hydration. This is the travel size, which retails for $3.50. This is an exclusive extra treat just for loyal subscribers. So if you buy the box as a one-off, you will not get this, but if you are a regular subscriber who gets it every single month, you will get this. Now, this I can try out right now. I have been really into the Tower 28 SOS Save Our Skin Spray, which is a hydrochloric acid and water spray, so it's basically a mineral spray as well. From an ingredient standpoint, this has water and nitrogen, so it sounds like it does the same thing. Oh, it's aerosol. It actually smells very similar to the Tower 28, except for the, aerosol part. I like that. And Brandon was just telling me that he wanted a face spray to have for travel purposes. So I like it, but I'm going to be honest, he's probably going to end up stealing that the second I turn off the camera. So I don't think this was a bad box at all. I'm actually really happy with all of the products that I got, with the exception of the brow. I mean, the Helios, it's good, I just don't need another one. My only issue is that there are two items that are on here, the SPF and the liquid highlighter that I didn't get. And if I had to compare the nail polish and the brow to the liquid highlighter and the SPF, I would have definitely liked the two I did not get. So these are both going to be unfortunate fails for me because I really would have rather have gotten what the card says I was supposed to get. But all of the other items I have zero problems with. I have either tried them and liked them, or I am happy and excited to try them. So that is a good sign, but you know how it is. I'm just kind of dealing with what expectations. If it says I'm going to get it, I want to get it. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you have any recommendations, any of these products you've used, I'd love to hear your opinions. And yeah, let me know. Do you think this box was worth it? I definitely think that this is worth the price point. But again, I am disappointed I didn't get the products that were advertised. So those are my thoughts. Let me know yours, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!